Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. So in this video, I'm going to be showing y'all how to blend two colors for knotless braids. So the colors that I'm going to be using are color 4, which is my natural hair color, and color 30. This video is going to be short and sweet. So the first thing that I started off doing in the clip before was brushing the hair for any tangles. I was honestly a little lazy with it. I should have been far more thorough, and you're going to see why later on in the video. Okay, so there isn't really a method to blending braiding hair colors. Honestly, it's just about that desired look that you're going for. I just split it until it looks the way that I want it to. Okay y'all, so as you can see, the hair wasn't detangled enough, and because of that, it created a mess. A year ago, I would have panicked, like for real. So what I decided to do was turn the camera off, separate the hair into 4 sections, then I detangled each section and put all the hair back together. It was honestly as simple as that. Then I went back through the hair and continued to detangle because I didn't want a matted mess again. So 2 tips that I have for y'all are 1, shaking the hair, which seems to be very effective in my opinion. I guess it just loosens the hair up. And 2, running your hand down the hair. Doing those 2 things makes things much simpler. So you'll see me doing that a lot throughout the video to keep tangling down to a minimum, as well as brushing the hair from time to time. So y'all, me being the overthinker that I am, I thought that blending hair would be complicated, but it's honestly not. So if you've been stalling to blend your hair, take that leap of faith. Also, if you haven't seen my video of me washing this braiding hair, check it out. Link will be in the description. Another tip that I have would be to thoroughly brush the hair after you've washed it, and of course after the hair is dry. It'll keep tangling down to a minimum. And so here I am continuing to blend the hair, y'all, because I haven't found the desired look that I was going for, and that's totally fine. Now y'all, this is about the smartest thing I have done this entire video. It's something about brushing the hair on your shoulder that really just gets everything and everything's just in place. I wish I would have done that from the get-go. I also wasn't too worried about losing hair when I was brushing it because I have so many bundles. But I didn't end up losing that much at all from the tangling, surprisingly. But money don't grow on trees, so be smarter than me and thoroughly brush the hair before deciding to split it and try to blend it. So in the end, I got the desired look that I was going for, and it came out so cute, y'all. I'll be installing my hair tomorrow, so keep an eye out for the video. I'm super excited. Comment down below which style you think I'll be doing. Now I know I said knotless, but duh, what type of knotless? Jumbo, mini, blah, blah, blah. And am I doing anything extra to it? You feel me? And y'all already know I dance in practically every video, so let's not act surprised. Anyways, thanks for watching.